What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. And for today's video, I'm taking a look at JBL's latest portable speaker, but it's one for the kids. Let's check it out. Alright, if you can't already tell from the screen behind me, I have the brand new JBL Jr Pop. Yeah, the Jr Pop. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the packaging, guys. And this just came out, I believe, last week. And I picked one up because I gotta pick up everything JBL. And even though it's a kid's portable speaker, I still want to do a review on it and check it out and see how it stacks up. The only one they had in stock on the JBL website was this aqua color. But as you can see behind me, and I'm going to pop up on the screen here, they have multiple colors. They have blue, they have green, a red, purple, pink, this aqua color. Alright, so before I break this open, let's check out some of the specs. So, on to the website. Okay, so here it is. So we got wireless Bluetooth streaming, 5 hours of playtime. It's IPX7 waterproof, so you can basically submerge this up to 3 feet for a half hour, and it's going to be perfectly fine. Built-in multicolor light mode, that's cool. Ultra portable with strap. All right, so here we go. General specs. So 3 watts of output power. I already said this before, but it has music playing time of 5 hours. Waterproof, light show, Bluetooth, auto power off, all yes. Looks like it says it weighs 0.26 pounds. That would be 0.12 kilograms and blah, 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 blah. Battery capacity is a 600 milliamp battery and it takes 2 hours to charge. All right, so all the specs are out of the way. Let's break this open. Okay, it says on the packaging here, it's for ages 3 and up. I don't know if you would actually buy a speaker for a 3-year-old, but this thing, first impressions, is like, do you remember the old Tonka toys? This thing is like a Tonka toy. It's like, made of that really durable plastic and rubber. It looks like this thing can take a beating. So this is probably why they've been marketing this type of body to the kids, because I think you can safely give this to a kid and not worry about them breaking it. So it comes in all those different eye-popping colors, and I mentioned before that this was the only color I can get my hands on other than pink and purple. So I went with the aqua color. On the back here, we got the traditional JBL logo. On the side here, the plus and minus volume buttons. And on the bottom here, you got your micro USB charging port. And then when we turn it to the other side, we have the LED on and off button. Then your Bluetooth button, your Bluetooth connect button, and then your on and off switch. So what I noticed also is a little harder to push in than the other JBL portable speakers, probably because they want this to be a little harder for kids to press in and start messing with. But if you press hard enough, you're gonna get there. So let's get this thing paired and let's check out the sound quality. All right, so let's turn it on right here. Press it. Cool. These little LEDs, they do light up. Little mini light show. But they don't sync to the music, which is kind of a bummer. But let's put this here and open up our Bluetooth. And it should automatically be searching for this thing. And JBL Jr Pop. There we are, connected. Let's turn this all the way up. Actually, let's do medium power at first, and I'll go up from there. Okay, that's half power. Let's find a song. All right, so let's play this song here. This is 50% power. About, I don't know, 2 feet from the microphone. All right, let's turn it all the way up. Okay, and as you can see, like I mentioned before, the LEDs, they don't sync to the music, which is unfortunate. I really wish this kind of synced to the music, because that would be pretty cool. But as is, I think the kids will love this little LED light show going on right here. First impressions, it's not a bad little speaker for the size. It has a little bit of bass to it. The highs sound pretty nice. It's not the best JBL speaker out there, but it's not trying to be. This is made specifically for kids, and it's actually a pretty nice offering if you ask me. Here, if I compare this size-wise to the Clip 3, you can see it's considerably smaller. You know, it does have the little strap. You know, the Clip 3 has the metal carabiner. This one just has the button strap on the back. So you can attach it to the clothes, backpack, or whatever, and snaps right down. And then there you go. It should be secure enough for kids running around or whatever they're doing on the playground, whatever. So it also comes with this little box here. And if I open up the box, let's take this stuff out. You got your USB charging cable. With this, it's supposed to be a bunch of stickers, but here's your boring quick start guide. Let's toss that to the side. What's this? Boring and boring. So yeah, it comes with a bunch of stickers. So if they want to decorate this thing however they like, it comes with a bunch of goofy emojis, eyes, mouth, just two, and some letters. Yeah, what do you guys think of my goofy face? Self-portrait. But what happens if you put this on one of your kids and they go outside and they get caught in the rain, or they accidentally drop it into you know, a pool or a lake? They claim it's IPX7 waterproof, so let's check that out and put it to the test. Alright, so if you notice here, the charging port is open. To compare, I got the Clip 3 and it has a nice rubber piece that goes over the charging port, but they still claim this is IPX7 waterproof, so let's see what happens. I'm going to drop it in, stickers and all. Alright, so it floats. That's good. Let's play some music. That's 100%. Okay, well, so far so good. Yeah, let me dry it off, put this to the side, and play it again. There you go. IPX7 waterproof. The X means it wasn't dust tested, but the 7 means up to 3 feet of water for a half hour, and you should be protected. Hey, even my stickers stayed on. Alright guys, well there you have it. JBL's entry-level portable speaker for kids is not that bad actually. For a speaker this size, it has very, very decent sound. It's waterproof, comes with stickers. Little light show. I think any kid that is a music lover and loves speakers and wants to listen to their music on the go would absolutely love this little offering from JBL. So thanks for watching guys. If you did like this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.